What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order a new Cash App card in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is tap into our Cash App application. And then we'll tap the card at the bottom. You'll scroll down a bit until you see Design a New Card. You can select from classic options or metal options. You can scroll through this list to see the current options they have. I'm just going to choose a black card. You can personalize the card or order it as is. I'm going to tap on Personalize. Here you can draw on your card. You can also add stickers to your card. You can select up to 5 and it'll place it in a grid for you. You can scale this grid up and down. And once you like what you've chosen, tap on the green check in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the green check you see at the top. It'll take you to a confirmation screen. You can edit again, or if you like what you see, you can go ahead and tap on Order Card. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you order a new Cash App card quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.